How to change Spotify password. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Spotify password. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Spotify application. After that, I'm going to click on my profile name right here and then click on account. This will take me to this page right here. You will need to scroll down a little bit until you see where it says change password, and that is where you need to click on. In here, you will need to fill out your current password, and after you have done that and it is correct, you can fill out the new password, and then when you're done, click on set new password. If you don't remember your current password, then just open a new incognito window and go to spotify.com and click where it says log in. And then after that, click where it says forgot your password. And then you will need to fill out either your username or your email and then click on send. After that, you will get an email to restore your password. So this is how to change Spotify password. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.